Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check device model for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Now click at the three dots, or if you have Android, 4 dots at the right top, and go to device settings. Then device information, and at the fourth line we have your model. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.